Now, we know you have a lot of questions about COVID-19, the vaccines, and the booster shots being recommended for some groups of people. So we want to clear up any confusion that you might have. Here are 3 questions from you tonight, starting with, can you get a booster shot if you currently are sick with the flu? This is what Dr. Linda Nabha has to say.
And if your illness is very mild, then in that case, getting the vaccine should be fine. I always recommend calling your primary care physician before.
A second question, why is there so much back and forth over booster shots? Well, this one is a little more complicated. The Biden administration feels the best way to protect the country from the Delta variant and any other variants is to give people a 3rd dose. Health experts with the FDA and the CDC say there needs to be more research done on how long your vaccine is actually effective before worrying about a 3rd dose. But so far, the agencies do support a booster for the elderly and others at a higher risk of contracting the virus. Leaders with the World Health Organizations have a different stance.
Moves by some countries globally to introduce booster shots threaten the promise of a brighter tomorrow for Africa. As some richer countries hoard vaccines, they make a mockery, frankly, of vaccine equity.
And a 3rd question, different people receive different brands of the COVID-19 vaccine between Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson's one-shot version. So does one vaccine need a booster more than another? Well, we know that Moderna and Pfizer vaccines can give about 94 or 95% protection after the first series of 2 shots. After 6 months, Moderna says it's still 93% effective compared to Pfizer's 84% effectiveness after 6 months. At the start, the J&J version is 72% effective, but we have significantly less real-world data on this one since fewer people took that vaccine. Moderna and Pfizer say a booster will help get people back to the original protection. This week, J&J released data saying a booster would get the effectiveness of its shot up to 94%.